You wouldn't start a journey without knowing where you're trying to end up. Hi, my name is Derek Fields, and I'm speaking at the Florida Center for Hormones and Wellness to tell you more about your health and fitness journey. I spent a little over 5 years working for CrossFit's corporate headquarters, and I now own a nutrition coaching company in the Orlando, Florida area. If you talk to people about the words health and fitness, chances are they're probably doing something to try to advance themselves in those areas. But they don't have an objective definition for that term. And that's true whether it's the average Joe on the street or even some of the top scientists in the world today. I want to tell you some objective definitions for health and fitness so that you can figure out how to get to where you're trying to be. If we can't measure something, it's very difficult to track our progress. So join me February 18th. You can click or tap the link to sign up and come hear about health, fitness, disease, and a whole bunch of other buzzwords that you probably hear about and read about all the time, but you're not quite exactly sure how to define them. That'll give you the roadmap for your health and fitness journey, and then we'll end the talk with a little workout and have some fun doing some things that you've probably never done before. Hope to see you there.